Be careful with altcoins. Let's see what I'm talking about. We can see here Aptos. This is one of the top 50 projects out there, a very big layer 1 project. It's down 95% in 2 years. And 95% down doesn't mean you have to make another 95% back to have the same value as before. You actually have to do over 2000% to get to the same point. That's why it's very important to protect your capital and not risk it with altcoins. Of course, you can put maybe like 5% of your portfolio in some high risk assets like altcoins, but not more. If you don't know me, I'm Mario Decentralized. I'm in crypto for over 10 years. I have a lot of experience and knowledge that I want to share with you in my videos. So I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a like and comment down below. Now, let's quickly talk about Bitcoin, the big daddy. We can see sitting at around $69,000 right now. And everybody's asking themselves, how far can Bitcoin drop? And I pulled out here the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we can see the next level that we might touch will be here, the 61.8 Fibonacci zone, which is at around $59,000. We almost went there. We went to $60,000. We almost touched it, but not there yet. And if that level doesn't hold, we might see even a $40,000 Bitcoin. This is my worst case scenario. Let's quickly see why I say this. We can see here we have the previous cycle where Bitcoin had a very similar performance like this one. We see here we had two all-time highs here, and after we had a 78% drop. And here we can see it again, two all-time highs, another two all-time highs, and then a big drop. For now, we dropped only around 58%. I think a little bit more drop is coming, and that's where we are going to open some nice swing trades positions. We already opened some nice trades in the previous videos. Make sure you are watching them if you haven't yet, and also make sure you always have a stop loss and a take profit. If you're doing that, you're already doing better than 90% of the traders out there. You can become a profitable trader. You just have to use the right risk to reward ratio. And I talk about all of these things in my VIP group. Make sure you are joining in the description down below, and let me know what is what you're struggling with right now. Is it controlling your emotions when you're trading? You don't know how to do your trading setups, you don't have a proper strategy, or you don't know even how to buy Bitcoin. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can just choose one of the exchanges in the description. It's very straightforward. You just open an account and you can already start buying and trading. Very easy to do. Now, let's also quickly talk about Ethereum here, which is the only altcoin that I have a little bit of a bigger position in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the main ones, but even Ethereum here we can see it's very, very volatile. Ethereum dropped around 65%, and look at this, 65%. To recover that loss, you have to make here 178%, which is still quite a lot. I still think we might go and touch the zone at $1,400, and after that we might see a nice bounce and go for even higher highs. I think Ethereum can definitely be like around maybe $10,000-$12,000 in the next 4 years. So there is a nice opportunity there. Even if you start accumulating now at around $2,000, you can easily make a 5 to 6x. Of course, it takes time and patience. Nothing comes easy. Everything what comes easy also goes easy and fast. Of course, trading is easy once you learn the skills. But learning the skills, there is definitely a work in progress. And you have to put in the hours, you have to look at the charts, you have to develop your mindset, your emotions, and your skills to find the nice setups and the good probability trades and investments. Now, what do I think about the other market? I think gold also. Let's quickly look at gold. Gold dropped also back below $5,000. I already talked about it. I would like to buy gold here at around $4,300 is where I'm gonna start, but I think it can go even lower to around 3,700, maybe even more, because gold had also a massive performance. We can see RSI here is still in the overbought zone, so it's not in the lower zone yet, so it's not time to buy yet. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.